Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making a soft and fluffy snacks, Rice Coconut Nashta. This snack is a fusion between a pancake and a savory rice cake. This recipe is a great way to use leftover rice creatively. It's easy, tasty and made with just a few ingredients. Let's begin. Take 1 cup of cooked rice in a blender. Half cup grated coconut, 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and 1.5 cups water. The addition of coconut adds a traditional South Asian twist to the flavor. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Use cooked rice that's soft and not too dry for better blending. Now pour the batter into a bowl. Cooked rice is a traditional base in many Asian snacks and pancakes. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and mix well. Coconut adds not just flavor but a tropical aroma to your dishes. Grease a pan lightly with oil. Pour a small amount of batter and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until it sets nicely. Grease the pan well to avoid sticking. Cook on low heat for a soft and spongy texture. Always cook on low heat to prevent the bottom from burning. It's a great option for kids and adults alike as a quick breakfast or tea time snack. Rice is a gluten-free carb that's easy to digest. Coconut is rich in fiber and adds healthy fats. This snack is cooked with minimal oil, make it light and healthy. Wasn't that super simple and delicious? You can enjoy it with chutney, ketchup or even plain. If you like this easy recipe, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Tell us in the comments what would you pair this soft nashta with. And of course subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more creative and comforting recipes. Thanks for watching and see you again with another yummy idea.